that run GMC, you're gonna wish you picked another goddamn bar. 2, 3, 4!
Back doing 30 and a half, fully packed and sell 3 grand in the tank. But think about the road, sometimes you never know what'll take you. Well, my mind's made up, the choice is clear. I'm gonna finish this trip in second gear. It's an all-night drive, and I'm pretty to keep one eye open. Now we stopped at Lewis Memorial. You know, I don't need a tutorial on how to run my life, how to keep my fluid stopped. My own things are sure we won't get there fast. I got beaters and semi-trucks passing my ass. The other sure thing besides taxes and death is we'll make it. Alright, heading past Auburn, Kirk on a plane, or man with a big rig and feel my pain. We're Sumas bound and running on 10 gallons of luck. Oh, well, time is standing still, trying to get home, since it never will. I can't explain the way I feel. Got my eye on the gauge, smoking both hands on the wheel. Well, dawn came up, that spouse broke, said it broke both ways, and that was a joke. When you're broken down, the only thing missing the problem is the answer. I've seen this while Lakeview, even parts of Bellevue, stop from trailers and costing beefs to avenge one at least there'll be food in my gullet. An hour heading north on Highway 11, passing Truck Neck Drive on a bow and Edison. State Patrol to my right, think I'll stop at the Iron Skillet. Oh, well, way back when the earth was green and an engine ran clean, if you know what I mean. Kids these days don't know what it means to be living. Yup. Well, time is standing still and trying to get home, so it never will. I can't explain the way I feel. Got behind the gauge, smoking both hands on the wheel. Well, Longview, Kelsey, Chehalis, Denino, Lacey, Lewis, Eminence, Lewin, Toledo, Everett, Snohomish, Puyallup, Denham, Claw. From Blaine down to Redmond, Packard, Ashford, Sheldon, Oakville, the way down to Southland, Stelman, again, we're keeping it real in Wenatchee. Well, broken down on the side of the road, 45 and a wait, 3 twist stop, Niccolo, mile 245 and a view of Samus Lake. Yep. Well, time is standing still, trying to get home, since it never will. I can't explain the way I feel. I got behind the gate, smoking both hands on the wheel. Well, time is standing still, trying to get home, since it never will. I can't explain the way I feel. I got behind the gate, smoking both hands on the wheel.
Thank you.
The next round's on you.
Seen on the day Christ was risen.